Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram search history on your phone. And this is really easy to do. So here's the Instagram app. Let's select this and then open it up. Now we can go on down to search right here and then type in a search. So let's go to the search icon, then press enter. And here are the results for this specific thing. Now, if I go back to the main search icon right here, I can see recent searches. And then here is a button for clear all. It says clear search history. You won't be able to undo this. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts you search for as suggested results. So let's go to clear all right now. Now, if you still see those accounts, let's go to one of those accounts. So here's an account right here. If we select this, what we want to do is block this account so we no longer see it. So go to the three little dots, then go to block right here, and then go to block other accounts and go to block. Now you'll no longer see that person in your search history. Now, if this doesn't work, what we want to do is go to our picture icon, select this, then go to the three little lines, then go to settings. Now on the top where it says search, type in history. And then you can go to search history under here. And then you can clear the search history. And this was review and manage your search history across Facebook and Instagram. Only you can see what you've searched. So you can go to clear all searches, and then you can choose a date. So I'm going to go to all time and clear all searches, and then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.